Yo, peace and love, everybody. Here we are. I'm excited to bring you this one. This is one of my most anticipated sneakers of 2021. It is the Jordan 3 Maniere. And I think I said that right. Thanks for clicking on the video. As you know, I do not condone the resale manufacture of UA or replica goods. I've just sent a sneaker as a visual for you guys to check it out. Me personally, I don't mind these sneakers, and I'm sure you guys that are watching the video don't either. So again, we have the Maniere 3s. Very beautiful sneaker. Very, very beautiful. I love how they kind of went for that vintage. What is this? Tironi kicks. Okay. This is what the box covering looks like. I actually took the shoes out of the box and that just slid right off. So that's what that looks like. And this shoe, man, what can I say? And it's kind of interesting with this one because the 3s usually don't come too correct from over there. I think they haven't been mastered. The paper is just like that box covering as well. But like I was saying, the 3s haven't been mastered, but being that these are so unique, they use such a different type of material on these, I'm not sure. And just looking at StockX pictures, I mean, these look to me 100% accurate. So the inspiration from the, well, I'll just let the guy tell his own story.
The inspiration around the Maniere 3 was actually rooted in my first experience with Jordan Brand. The 3 was the first shoe that my mom ever bought me. So it was interesting to have the opportunity to be able to tell a story about her on the AJ3. I'm a project kid that was always in love with the idea of luxury, right? That's why Maniere exists. Youth culture in the black community have helped define the direction of luxury.
All right. Couldn't have said it any better than him, you know, and that's dope. That's a dope concept. I'm glad that Jordan Brand reached out to a company based out of DC. It's not the most popular company, but, you know, they're in the right direction. Anyway, so this shoe has that really thick type of, I'm going to call it suede, but look at that. And I swore I was going to stop doing that, but I just have to do it. And that looks like it's like almost like a rug. And I was like, whoa, hold on. See? I was able to rub that right on out. But look at the tumbled leather. It's just very well crafted. I love how the Nike's like that wine looking color. I love it. They don't call these sale for some reason, but there's sale all over this shoe. They went with like all these vintage tones. It's just perfect in my opinion. I'm already giving the shoe a 10. Yes, I gave it a 10. There's nothing wrong with that. I just like the shoe that much. I don't know how accurate that looks. I don't know whose signature that is on the, it looks like Jordan's signature, but who knows? Here's a quick look at the bottom. Every piece of paneling on this shoe for me, like this is exactly how I would have designed shoes if I could design shoes. And here's a look at the laces. It says work harder on both the laces. I kind of think the laces are a little bit too vintagey for me. They're not sale, they're like extreme sale, but oh man, look at this interior. When I seen this, I was like, okay, that's the luxury that boy was talking about. That is the luxury. And that's just such a nice touch. These are killing the Union sneakers. Like the Union sneakers were dope too. But when you start doing stuff like this, when you start crossing the Jordans over with the luxury, man, you can't lose with that. At least for me. Like, look at that. Come on, man. I don't even know. To me, the quality even looks good. I don't have a retail pair to compare this with, but from what I have in my hands right here, man, this looks too good. This is almost too good to be true. The insole's got a Jumpman in one, and the other one has that A. The Maniere. Can't even say it no more. Maniere. I think. I already forgot. Jumpman looks good to me. The head kind of looked weird, but I looked at one of my retails. It's the same. The A looks good. The that's for the I guess. But let's go ahead and take a look under the black light, because I'm going to tell you now there were some different results. So right off the bat, you can see there's nothing on the insole. Just wanted to give a quick little check, but right off the bat, you can see that there are markings. And I know I said in the last video I was going to clean these up, but I don't have like a rag or anything like that at the moment while I was doing this to clean them up. And plus I was too excited. I just wanted to get these on feet, but you do see some stitching marks. The guys at Tironi, I guess you guys may have to tighten this up just a little bit, you know. Nevertheless, none of this bothers me because I'm just going to wear the shoe to death anyway. And I'm actually going to wear the shoe. I'm not going to just stock it and let it sit in the closet. Like I told you guys, I retired from doing that. But I love the sneaker, man. I don't care what shows up. This is the other sneaker. And This one might have a little bit more markings on it. But I'm going to try to clean them up. I'll post some pictures on my story on IG. Make sure you follow me on IG and all that. TikTok too. There's the air unit. These are good, man. Oh, there's the cross of death. That really freaks people out right there. That really freaks people out. But I'm going to take some soap and water and see what it does. But let's go ahead and get into the on for you guys. Yo, peace and love, guys. Anytime I start a video off in the car, that means I'm winging it today. Like, it was raining all day, then it stopped, so I got a little window to get in here and get it done. I'm driving a 6-speed with one hand. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. I appreciate all the love from the other video. What was the last video? So I guess they're switching up things now. That's gonna be crazy, especially with them like letting people in movie theaters right now. That's crazy, man. This was the spot. You know what I'm saying? But I guess it's over. It's over, huh? Looks like they had people in there. What are they doing in there? Oh, they've already been cooking. Okay. Yeah, don't get it twisted. I'm not trespassing. I just want to get quick on foot. Boom. Out of here. I don't care what they do in there. I just got to get my on foot, and that's a resale. Let me hurry up and do that. Or the nature of the content. Or the nature of whatever. So how do you make a video that you've already done, like location-wise, any different from the past 4? I mean, that's the challenge of content creating. All right, that's a wrap. I ain't really got much else to do. Try to get a different spot next time. I can't believe it just stopped raining and now it's like perfect, but that worked out. So, I mean, final thoughts on the sneaker? Well, they're just beautiful sneakers for one. I don't really care what showed up on the black lighting. They're beautiful to me. If I could knock off one thing, it would probably be just the laces. The laces were just too long. Like if these had perfect laces, which I can get from Rope Supply, you know what I'm saying? Check that description out. Video's not sponsored by them. Make sure you follow me on IG as well, you know what I'm saying? I also got a good old ticker talker. I'm not dancing on it or anything like that, but make sure you follow me there. My biggest video of my whole life is on TikTok, so check that out. Maybe I might start dancing one day. If that's what you guys want to see, I might start doing moonwalks in all my shoes. Who knows? And shout out to Tironi. I think it's Tironi. It's a new person that gifted me a shoe, you know, in the unboxing space, and they slid a little note with their ad on there. I see what you guys did. Shout out to you guys for getting me the sneaker. I love the sneaker, and I think that I do have another pair coming to me. And that's okay, because I could have 5 pairs of these. I would not care. Shout out to you guys clicking on this little crazy video that you found on YouTube somehow. And peace, love, and light. I am out of here. Getting the sniffles, and it's time to go. It's just time to go. Peace.